Hi, I'm Dave and welcome back to BrenTeck IT Support. Today we've got a lineup of SwitchBot products to show you. Now we weren't sponsored by SwitchBots, we just saw these and thought these are really good, really fun, so we thought we'd give them a try. Okay, we're getting through our little SwitchBot marathon here. We're now going to look at the SwitchBot Switch. This is a really clever little guy. I honestly don't know what we're going to use it for, but I thought this looks so much fun, I'm sure I'm going to find a good use for it. Because what you can do is you can use it to retrofit it to any normal switch, whether it's a push button rocker switch, not a touch sense switch, that's the only thing it doesn't work with. And how it works is it connects to your 2.4 gig Wi-Fi network. Now you can use the Smart Mini Hub or not. If you use the Smart Hub, it will then allow it to connect to your smart assistants, Siri, Alexa, Google, or it can just be done via the phone and it can be remotely controlled, again using the Smart Hub. And so with the Smart Hub, you can connect it to your smart assistants for voice control and remote access, or it can run from internal routines directly from your phone. So let's just have a look and see how it goes. Again, always be careful when opening packaging for yourself and for the items. So in the box we have the cute little SmartBot itself, and it has a sticky pad at the back. I'll pull off the little label, and then you've got the power pull tab there to connect the battery. Underneath we've got the instructions, and then we have another little sticky. So this is a sticky with a little hook. Right, we've just had to replace our memory card in the camera, so hopefully we're going to pick up from where we left off. The little hooks are designed that you peel off the sticky back and stick it to a push-pull switch. And so the hand that comes out from here goes onto the hook, and the hand will push one side down, and then the lever can pull the tab and then lift the switch as well. So I don't really know where I'm going to put this, because all of our light switches that were rocker switches have all been replaced with smart switches, and a lot of our plugs have already been replaced by smart plugs. So I don't really know where I'm going to use it, but I thought it's such a clever and useful little bot that I wanted to have one so I can try it, and if I do find a place to put it, I can. So we'll get on with the setup of this, and we'll need to go bring back our phone to do the setup on the app. So we've got our phone ready. We will pull the tab out. I'll put it to the side so we can see what happens with the arm. Click add. It's found a bot, so I'll press that. Bot 1E, I'll leave it that name, but if you know what you're using it for, you can give it a more distinct name. We'll click next. Select a room. It's a shame that you can't add rooms in this part of the menu. That would make life so much easier, but I might be putting this in the garage to control the garage heater, but we'll see on that one, because the heater doesn't really have a great memory built into it. But that's a story for another day. We'll click next, leaving room blank for now, and it's done. The setup process on this is so easy. I love the way they've thought the logic of the app out, and for all the devices. So let's come and have a look at what the bot can do. Press that and it opens up. And now here we see, and that's where we see the little eyelet. So I'll press that again. Ooh. Okay, because we've got the hub, it wants to be set up with that. We'll enable cloud services. And that's now accessed. Now in theory, it should have also activated it for our other assistants. Because we did this previously for the other ones. So I'll go back to that. And we'll now come back. So we've got a new feature. Let's get the new feature. There we go, it's updating it this time. Yay. Finish. So we have a press mode. And say press it for 1 second. Okay, so this is how you can do your combination. Step 1, take action. So that's how that one is working. I'll cancel that because I'll need to work out what series of steps I will need. I can exit that. So now you've got it in that open position. This is where you can put your hook or your wire through. And so if that was stuck to a switch, you'd be able to see how it will pull the switch. So if you'd put it like that, so that's resting on the button of your switch, that would push it down and then that would lift it up. So after you've set your pattern on how you want it to turn on and off and what type of bot it is using this part of the screen, you can then come back out of it and you get your on-off switch, and so we'll turn it on from here and you'll see the bot move. Or as we've already linked it to our assistants, we can go turn bot 1E off.
Got it. Turning off bot 1E.
And there you have it doing its little thing. Now obviously customize that to how you want it to operate, because there's an on-off mode, a press mode, and you can change how long the duration of the press is. So it's got quite a lot of things to go through. So customize it for your use case scenario. But I love the idea of that. If I do put it up on the heater or find somewhere to put it, I'll make another video on actually installing it somewhere. This is just to show you how it sets up and works, but very interesting. That's it for now. I do hope you enjoyed the video. If so, do give it a good thumbs up, like, comment, and the most important thing is to subscribe. We really need to get our subscribers up, guys, because we really do appreciate talking to everyone, and YouTube looks for the number of subscribers more than anything else. That's the most important thing for us. And if you do want to get yourself any of the SwitchBot products, I'll have a link in the description down below to SwitchBot directly, and we've also got a discount code for you as well. So using our link and our discount code, you'll be able to get yourself, I believe it's 10% off. And I do think it is really worthwhile getting the curtains. I love them. I think the whole system is really great. I love it. Well, that's it for now. Take care, as always. Have a nice day and see you again soon. Bye for now.